If you want to filter results in SurveyMonkey, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to narrow down your survey responses so you can focus on the exact data that matters most. Whether you want to review answers from a specific group, compare segments, or clean up your analysis view, filtering can save you a huge amount of time. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to SurveyMonkey and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the survey you want to analyze. From there, click on the survey to open it and access the results area. This is where all of your collected responses are stored, and it's also where you'll be able to apply filters. Next, click on Analyze Results. This takes you into the reporting section of SurveyMonkey, where you can view charts, response data, and question-by-question summaries. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by a large number of responses, this is the perfect place to start filtering things down. Once you're inside the results analysis view, look for the Rules option. Click on Rules, and this will open up the filtering and segmentation tools for your survey results. SurveyMonkey uses rules to help you control what responses are shown. So instead of viewing everything at once, you can isolate the exact data set you want. Now, click on Plus Filter. This is the key step that lets you add filtering conditions to your results. After you select it, SurveyMonkey will show you the available filter options you can use. Depending on your survey setup, you may be able to filter by answers to specific questions, respondent details, or other response conditions. From here, choose the filter criteria that fits your goal. For example, you might want to show only respondents who selected a certain answer, or only people who completed a specific part of the survey. This makes it much easier to analyze trends and compare different groups without manually sorting through every response. After selecting your filter, apply it and review the updated results. The dashboard should now only show the responses that match your filter conditions. Take a moment to confirm the data looks correct, and if needed, you can always go back and adjust the rule or add another filter for a more refined view. This is especially helpful when you're presenting survey findings, checking for patterns, or trying to focus on one audience segment at a time. Instead of looking at every response in one big list, filtering lets you work smarter and get to the insights faster. And that's how to filter results in SurveyMonkey. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and it can make your survey analysis much more efficient. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.